In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Mistral chat. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what each section is for, and how to start a productive conversation with the model. Begin by opening your browser and heading to Mistral.ai, the home base for Mistral's frontier models, assistants, and services. At the top, look for the Try Studio button and click the small drop-down arrow beside it. From that menu, choose Le Chat. This takes you straight into the chat interface designed for fast, focused interactions. Once Le Chat opens, start fresh by selecting New Chat on the left. You'll see a clean conversation window and a sidebar that helps you organize work. Before typing, take a quick tour so you know where everything lives. Click Agents in the sidebar. Agents are purpose-built assistants with predefined instructions, tools, or settings so you can tailor behavior to a task. Next, open Intelligence. This is where you can review model and reasoning options that shape how your agent thinks and responds. Move on to Memories. Memories capture durable context like preferences or recurring details, so you don't have to repeat yourself every session. Then visit Connectors. Connectors let you link external sources and services, so the model can draw from the right information at the right time. After that, go to Libraries. Libraries are where you organize reusable files and knowledge bases you want the model to reference. Finally, click Instructions. This is the place to store reusable system guidelines that keep your chats consistent and on brand across projects. When you're ready to return to a conversation, click New Chat again. In the message area, look for the plus icon. Use this to bring more power into your session. You can upload files, libraries, agents, connectors, a project, tools, and workflows. Attaching the right resources here helps the model ground its answers in your actual materials. Now place your cursor in the prompt field and type your request. Be clear about the goal, include any constraints or examples, and reference any attached items the model should use. When your prompt looks good, click Submit to send it. The model will respond in the thread, and you can iterate from there. Ask follow-ups, refine instructions, or switch to a different agent if your task changes. That's the full path. Open Le Chat from the Mistral site, explore agents, intelligence, memories, connectors, libraries, and instructions, then start a new chat, add what you need with the plus icon, type your prompt, and submit. You're ready to use Mistral Le Chat with clarity and confidence.